English speaking course.
Lisa, I can't find the camera anywhere. Did we leave it at home?
What? This was important for our trip.
I was sure I did. I'm really sorry, Lisa. This is my fault.
And the sunscreen? You know I have sensitive skin.
I think I saw some at the hotel gift shop. I'll go buy it.
This is not how I pictured our Iceland trip, John.
Let's not let these small mistakes ruin our time here. We'll make the best of it. Lisa, please don't get mad at me. We can...
Oh no. Why has the cable car stopped suddenly?
I'm not sure, but don't worry. I'm sure they're working on fixing it.
John, look how high we are. I can't look down. I'm feeling dizzy.
Just breathe, Lisa. Here, hold my hand. We'll be okay.
What if we're stuck here for hours? I'm getting anxious.
Let's just talk about something else to distract ourselves. Remember our first date?
Yes, you were so nervous you spilled coffee all over yourself.
And you still agreed to a second date. That's when I knew you were special.
I guess I've always liked your adventurous spirit. It's moving again. We're safe.
That was a bit scary, but we're fine now.
Let's make this trip memorable, even without a camera.
Absolutely. We still have each other and these beautiful mountains.
Chris, what were you doing on the balcony?
Oh, Anita, I was just... enjoying the evening breeze. Nothing special.
It looked like you were hiding something. Is everything okay?
Really, it's all good. Tell me about your day. Was work busy?
So tiring. We had back-to-back meetings and deadlines.
That sounds really stressful. You should rest now.
Yeah, I'll probably just read a book tonight. Nothing too hard.
I'll make some herbal tea. It'll help you relax.
Chris, are you smoking?
Yes. I didn't want you to know.
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't want you to see this. It's just, I've been under a lot of stress.
Smoking isn't the answer, Chris. Why didn't you tell me about your stress?
It helps me relax.
We're here to support each other, Chris. Let's talk about what's bothering you.
You're right. I've been feeling overwhelmed with my job and personal life.
Let's find better ways to manage stress. Maybe yoga or meditation.
I'd like that. I need to make some positive changes.
We can start by going for walks or trying new hobbies together.
Thanks, Anita. It means a lot to have your support.
Oh, honey, look at those dogs. Aren't they adorable? They really are. That's why I love coming to this park. Hey, what do you think about getting a dog ourselves? A dog would definitely be a big commitment. What would it take for us to have a dog? It would require a lot of changes in our lifestyle. Tell me more. What are you thinking about? Well, first, we'd need to consider our finances. I'm all ears. Raising a dog can get expensive, you know. What kind of expenses are we talking about? Food and basic supplies. Exactly. Plus, dogs will need vaccinations along with their normal vet visits. I think I could manage those costs. Finances are just one part. We also need to think about our living situation. What do you mean? We must make sure we have enough space for a dog. Our apartment isn't huge, but we could definitely make it work. Like how? like getting a medium-sized dog with moderate exercise needs. Sounds rational, but let's not forget about the time commitment. What about that? Dogs need to be walked, fed, and played with every day. Yeah, I know. Are we prepared for that kind of responsibility? Well, we both have pretty flexible schedules. We could definitely share the dog care duties. It sounds like you've been putting some thought into this already. Maybe a little. Well, I think we can stop by a shelter this weekend. Really? So you're on board with getting a dog? Well, I don't see why not if we agree on everything. Oh, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, Jay, look at him. Whoa there, little fella. Easy on the zoomies. He's so adorable. See how he wants to cuddle? This is Max, a real sweetheart. Loves walks and belly rubs. Hi, Max. Nice to meet you. May I know more about his history? We found him searching for scraps in a dumpster, a 2-year-old stray all alone. Aw, poor Max. And Max has been here for about 6 months. Why's that? He's a bit energetic, so some people haven't been sure about adopting him. Hey, Laura, how about we give Max a forever home? You think so? Why not? He sounds perfect for 2 energetic souls like us, right? Oh, Jay, that would be amazing. I'm so glad you found your perfect furry friend. Mia, could you walk us through the adoption process? Certainly. So it includes some paperwork and an adoption fee. An adoption fee? How much is it? It's actually quite reasonable, and it covers all of Max's vet care before he came here. So that means he's already vaccinated. Yes, the vet care includes vaccinations, neutering, and microchipping. That's good to know. We definitely want to make sure he's healthy. We also offer some post-adoption support, just in case you have any questions later on. That's fantastic. Thank you so much, Mia. Oh, I almost forgot to mention the adoption application. What's that? It just asks some basic questions to ensure Max is a good fit for your home. Sounds good. We're really excited to get started. Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.